So there's been a slight catastrophe this morning. I nearly was caught in an explosion. I was standing near the fridge here, and then I walked over here to set up a camera, and there was an explosion over here, and one of Gemma's water kefir bottles just really did properly explode.
Oh, some of it's on top of the fridge.
Oh, okay.
Oh, most of it is that biggest one.
Ah. That was bad. If I'd have been there like a second or two longer, that would have...
Ow.
You right?
Yeah.
That would have been my face. Getting shards of glass ripped through it. You're saying a lot.
Oh, I was thinking, that one would have been really fizzy.
Yeah, that was pretty fizzy.
I didn't need this when I just looked up.
I wonder if Racy Baby's ever had anything like this happen.
No, I don't think so. Oh, it stinks everywhere.
You nearly killed me to death.
Oh, I don't know where to start. One of these bottles, but obviously you can't release the gas unless you do it with your hands. You know, if you physically do it.
Yeah.
So it got too much pressure.
You nearly killed me to death.
I put a couple
I'm being melodramatic now.
Well, I know you did. I put a couple of dried figs in it, and as soon as I put them in yesterday, it went as they went to the bottom.
Yeah.
That was my first clue.
So what are the benefits of water kefir?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Good for your stomach and that. It's got probiotics in it. All those little things you see in the bottom there. It's bacteria, and it's like enclosed itself in like a jelly-like situation. And it multiplies really quickly. You need 2 tablespoons, but within a few days you've just got so much you can just give it away, you can eat it, whatever. Yeah, it just makes your drink all fizzy and nice.
So you feed it, what do you
sugar,
feed it?
But they eat the sugar, so it's not like you've got sugar left, you know, in the drink. And it's meant to make you have more energy. Rachel said, Racy Baby says her stomach's flat after meals now, whereas before it would be, I guess, not flat.
So you drink a little sort of before meals, don't you? Mm. I think I've lost part of my hearing. Boom.
Exactly.
Make him do a skid. No, skid him.
No, it's glass.
What? Oh, you've ruined it. Well, at least this has happened.
Thanks, boy.
Breakfast porridge. I'm running late because I got caught in the explosion. There we go. Ground flax seeds, raisins. Got given some pea protein to try from a new manufacturer. Goes well in my porridge, believe it or not. Mixed berries. I make mine with water. Being on a cut at the minute, it's just nicer to eat your calories versus drinking them. And obviously there's no additives like you get with some plant milks. I've been given some protein crispies to try. Pea and soya. So like a new, guy's starting up like a new company. Wait a minute, I need to open them. What is this? Yeah, that's alright.
Could you have it as like a cereal sort of thing, or?
Yeah, so you can sort of make a cereal out of them with, I guess you could add fruit and nuts or whatever you want to add. 80% protein, soya ones. Yeah, they're fine. Never seen pea ones before, have you?
No.
Pea Crispies. Yeah, pretty good. Coming sooner or later to a store near you. That's naan.
Yeah.
Margaret! Nosy neighbour. Margaret! Nosy neighbour. Margaret! Nosy neighbour. Margaret! Nosy neighbour.
So for breakfast, nearly always have porridge now, keeping the grains intact so you're feeding the good bacteria in your colon. Nice big whack of berries for the antioxidants. Meal 2, pre-workout. For speed, I've got baked potatoes and beans. Just steamed up some kale, got some mushrooms as well, bit of nooch on top. Got a little handful of almonds, a tangerine, an apple. I'm gonna have a protein shake as well. Right on to cook. I really enjoy it.
Yoink.
Currently. Oh, you little monkey.
Oh, yoink them.
Just back from a mega walk, a little bit dizzy feeling, so get some grapes in me fast. Replenish those carbs. Now I'm having a Brazil nut. Mmm, nutty.
He wants it.
This is vegan slop.
Yeah, she had a lot of her teeth out, so I soaked her biscuits for her. Vegan biscuits. Got some nice things in there. I put coconut oil in and this berry extract. Which
Cranimals.
is Cranimals, yeah. You wish to also mention that I put CBD oil in there? Or not really?
You've done it now.
I'm just making some food. He's just making some food. I'm just making some food. He's just making some.
Bit of water in the pan for a steam fry. Oh, the spoon upside. You put my spoon upside down. Did you do that? Make me look stupid. Don't forget, whatever, if I ever do anything bad now, don't forget that you always nearly blew my face off. So with steam frying, you just add in a little more water as you need to, so you don't burn everything. A minute or two before the end, I'm just adding in half a can of kidney, half a can of butter beans. A minute before the end, we have some spices. So I've got garlic powder, Chinese 5 spice, because I like it a bit extra ginger. Give that a stir in, cook that for a minute. Oh, that smells good, doesn't it, Jen?
Yeah.
You can't have none.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, and then we're going to add some soy.
Well, you got low sodium tamari, is it?
Yeah. Bit of fresh coriander to garnish. Bon appetito. It's nice, isn't it?
Handsome.
What's this cat doing? He's wiping his boogies on the lens. Well, this isn't getting the competition drawn. Let's draw the competition.
Oh, yeah.
For the new year, we had the competition to win one of every of our products, which I'll show you now. Look at these products. Go. So loads of people shared our competition, and
Thanks for that.
thank you very much. And now we've got to pull a name out of the hat
Yeah.
to see which of the entrants has won one
you
of
pass-
everything.
May you pass me the hat? Oh, a beautiful hat, I must say.
Give it a shake. Okay, no
lot of them.
peeking.
Okay.
Yeah, there was a lot of them. Just get one.
Drum roll. Okay,
Have you got one?
I've got one. And the winner is for 150. Oh, I've got two.
Yeah.
For £150 worth of Hench Herbivore goodies. Natalie Mostinka?
Natalie Mostanika.
Okay.
If that's how we pronounce your name, you are the winner.
Yeah, well
Dun,
done.
dun, dun.
Oh, I'm not sure who this is.
There's someone.
Yeah, obviously. Thank you for sharing our competition.
We've still got a January sale on at the minute. 10 to 20% off all the stuff.
Yeah, there's a huge discount on some old stock. We've got the
Oh, yeah.
old logo on the back. £13 t-shirts on our Etsy store.
Yeah.
Everything else is reduced the whole of January.
Link in the description.
Yeah.
Buy our stuff. Meal 4. Oh, a cat's come.
I've got snazzy pyjamas on.
Talk about my meal more. Chickpea and quinoa burgers.
Yeah, that looks nice if I do say so myself.
You made them. You done it, mate. Homemade hummus.
Yep.
And what?
Fat-free burgers.
Yeah.
Yep.
Link in the description. Is that the classic
Yeah,
recipe?
it is.
That's our most viewed recipe video, isn't
It
it?
is, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's good as well.
Oh, nice.
What is in the hummus?
Chickpeas, tahini, lemon, garlic, cumin, a tiny bit of water. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, oil free, obviously.
And I've got crudité, so celery, carrots, red pepper. This hummus is really nice.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, really good. The burgers are obviously lovely. So, link in the description for the burgers. We'll do a hummus recipe soon as well. Oh, and I've got some spinach. What will be put on top of the hummus? It's really nice.
Just some smoked paprika and oregano, sort of for garnish.
Oregano. That's about it, is it?
Yeah.
Have you got anything to add, mate? Well, that was a bit immature. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Go vegan for victory. Ah, my eyes!